Yep.
There it comes.
It's on? Okay. Okay, let me, there you go. Here we go. What is it?
A present.
It's a present from Grandma Kathy. Hooray! What is it? Whoa. Oh my goodness, what is it?
It's got stuff, art
What's
stuff, I think.
in there? What? What's in there?
Cool
Wow.
stuff.
Oh my goodness, what's that? These are paints to paint pictures.
Are those foam things you dip them in the paint and then you push them on the paper?
Yeah, I think so. You dip these in the paint and make foam pictures. And this is finger paint. What's this? Magnetic. Ooh, these are cool. You can put these on the fridge. They're magnets. That's cool. Those are paints. What's these? What are these? Ooh. Those are brushes that you can brush the paint on with. Okay, you want to open that?
I need this. I need this.
Let's see what we got there. Oh, we got them. Can we see what else you got? Okay. These are the...
It's open arms.
Oh, can we see everything else before we open them?
Yeah.
Can we see what else you got in there?
Yeah, because this is going to run.
Yeah,
This is going to be
let's
too
just
much.
see what else so Grandma Kathy can see you open stuff. Look at these. They're paintbrushes. That's
Let
cool.
me see the pen.
Are there books at the bottom?
Oh, and then, let's see. Scissors. More scissors.
What is it?
These
A
are those
paintbrush?
cool. These are those cool scissors. What's this? That's a glue stick. Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
And what's this?
These are paintbrushes?
This is, oh, stickers. Aaron, do you see the stickers? See the stickers? And, I think that's about it. And paper. We got paper right here. Look at that. Construction paper. It's colored. Can you look at the camera and say thank you to Grandma Kathy?
Thank you, Kathy.
Do you like your present?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Do you want to marry it?
Hold on.
Okay. Do you want another present?
Hold on.